Tracking WFAA weather alert days for both today and tomorrow, and it is not just North Texas. Much of the state could see strong storms and some serious weather. Let's get over to meteorologist Cassie Hyder, who's with us back in the studio this morning. Glad to have you here, Cassie.
Well, thank you so much. Happy to be here. We do have several chances of seeing some rain and storms over the next couple of days. And, Greg was mentioning there is going to be that severe threat for later this evening and into tonight for the DFW Metroplex. But I want to show you what else is going on. So this is going to be noon today. We've got a cold front draped across Oklahoma and to the Texas Panhandle. We also have a dry line in the far western part of the Panhandle. We're over the next several hours. Eventually, this cold front will move into North Texas. It's going to become stationary this evening, and that is where we're going to see a lot more showers and storms. That's where the coverage will become a lot greater. By 10 o'clock, some of these storms off the dry line will try to make their way at least into the western part of the Metroplex, and we're going to do it all over again tomorrow morning. This time, though, the front lifts to the north as a warm front. The dry line gets a little bit closer to some of our far western counties, so storms come off of that. By tomorrow morning, we're expecting widely scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, but later in the afternoon, what we're going to be watching very closely is any isolated storms that do come off of this dry line, either off of it or just out ahead of it. That is where we would have that low tornado threat for the Metroplex in areas to the south and even off to the east. And we're going to continue to see those isolated storms tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Finally, we've got the cold front. You can see that well to the north. That's going to be dropping south into North Texas by the time we get into Thursday morning. So Thursday will be a little bit cooler. But look at all the rain that we're expecting to see. Now most of the rain, the heavier rain, that's going to stay across Oklahoma, but some of our far northern counties will still see that, which is why we have a flood watch for our northern counties through Thursday morning. Guys, back to you.
All right. Thank you for that, Cassie. As we look at the